I look a little. So I got a little bit of my room to clean. It's Sunday and there's, what's today? There's 15 days, almost 2 weeks until I have to go back to school. College. Gosh, like. Anyways, this is what my room looking like right now. Not terrible, you know, messy bed. It's like 2 cups over there. And I got my clothes over here that I need to fold up. So it's not terrible, but I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you though. I'm a little hungry, and I think I want a little snack. Like, I think I want a little snack. Y'all not about to keep coming for me. Right, I'm making my, I don't like y'all. Got my sandwiches, my chips, and then we on it. I'm just not about to clean, feeling like I'm about to fall over. I'm just not doing it.
12 seconds later.
Okay. I still got a little bit of my tea. Let's get started. Okay, so half of my room is done and it hasn't even been like 15 minutes. But now the other things to do, fold my clothes. Ooh, not the wire break. The room clean. Now that we got that, what else is there to do? I know that I've been wanting to like change my iPad and my phone, like the whole like aesthetic. That's gonna take hours, but you know I'm a time lapse for y'all. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm about to wash my hair real fast. It's been a week, so yeah. So turns out that was not enjoyable. I tried to wash my hair and it tried to wash me back. Like, you could see my eyes a little bit red. Like, bro, like all up in my eye. Like, it's cool. We're gonna keep going with the program. I'm gonna be calm. That was literally like, see, I'm getting overstimulated again. That was like the most overstimulated shower like I have ever experienced, like ever, like point blank. Like that was this time around. I need to get like a new brush brush is cool. I have a mixture of like the 3 section. This one is cool for that. But the thing that I'm noticing is that because of the lack of bristles here, it doesn't get to the smaller knots. Right now, this is what I'm using on my hair. Be going on top of this. And then, can't even see with B-Girl. Clearly super overstimulated. Like everything is irking me so bad. Like y'all don't even know I blinked into my hair 2 times on both sides. I think I'm just going to get another cup of sweet tea. I'm gonna be calm. Let's try tomorrow. I'm still gonna do everything that I said I was gonna do. As far as like reading my Bible and stuff, I'm going to do that. I cannot stand another second to even attempt to do anything else right now. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's going on. Like I really don't. Yeah, hashtag overstimulated. Good morning, even though it's 2 o'clock. Not overstimulated anymore. Oh, it was 1:35, sorry. I use their products normally, but I just haven't had that one. And like, if I wanted to, I could not like wear moisturizer and my face be totally fine. This side came out real wonky, and I think the reason why is because I put more gel on this side, but it's cool. I'm gonna fix it. Gotta really seal it off whole. Okay. Let's go make some breakfast at noon, shall we?
Eternity later.
Now that I got my little lunch, I'm about to eat that and do my iPad and finally reset my whole aesthetic. So let me get started on that. this is my new lock screen. Do we like? After a bunch of long behind hours, here's my iPad finally. Okay. Y'all ain't gonna see my password right now. Right? Right? My phone is literally like, I'm not recording all of that because that's crazy. Like, that took me so long, like, alone. Like, I'm gonna do it tonight, but like, am I gonna show y'all? Maybe. I don't know. If y'all see, y'all see. Y'all don't, y'all don't.